Hey everyone, so today I'm finally back on my 2007 Duramax. It's been a while since the last video. Unfortunately, I've had to use it for work, so I haven't been able to start the teardown yet, but that's coming to an end, so I can hopefully start this teardown real soon. But what I'm going to do first is the motor has not been cleaned since the truck was new, and there's a lot of, well, there's 500,000 miles worth of oil, dirt, and grease buildup. So when I do have a leak, I don't know exactly where the leak's coming from because there's just so much crap in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to clean all that up so that if any new leaks come about during this process, I'll be able to find them and fix whatever the problem is. So let's get started. So as you can see, this thing is really dirty. Never cleaned it before. Tons of oil and just built up dirt over the years. It's spent most of its time off-road. Got a little bit of leak coming through the power steering lines, but it's just a ton of just oil and dirt built up that it makes it really difficult to see where all the leaks are actually coming from. So my hope with this is to be able to clean all this stuff off and be able to find out where any new leaks are coming. So here's some of the products I'm going to be using. I've got the Super Clean degreaser and the foaming spray. I've got a few detail brushes. I've got some plastic restorer from Car Guys, and then a few different tools to be able to take the batteries off and a couple other things. So I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. Plastics really came back to life. I got it about 80%, but really I was just trying to get it clean enough so I can see any new leaks that might be still going on. But definitely happy, looks a lot better than it did. So that's going to pretty much do it for this video. I'm going to start taking everything apart on this truck in the next week to start getting it ready for paint, because I'm going to be changing the color. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of this process and how the restoration goes, make sure you're subscribed, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.